So one of my favorite options when I'm doing a Zoom is the ability to share my screen. So if I wanted to, maybe I had a website that I wanted to demonstrate or something I wanted to show off, I could simply hit the share screen button and I could choose to share my desktop. And so if I choose to share my desktop and hit share, then it's going to take my desktop, exactly what I have going on here, and it's going to share this with all of my participants. So they are going to see exactly what I see here. Now I can minimize this window if I need to just me, or just to a simple toolbar if I need to, if I don't need to see everybody. But now I can go through and do whatever it is I want to do and demonstrate, and those things are going to get shared directly to my participants. Now when I'm done, all I have to do is tell it to stop sharing here at the top, and when I tell it to stop sharing, it takes me right back to where I was before. Now, this can be done from either view, whether I'm in the speaker or gallery view. If I do it again, this time, maybe since I have Chrome open, you'll notice that Chrome shows up here. I can choose to, again, share my whole desktop, or I can choose to share just a specific app. But one of my favorite options is to share my iPad plugged into my desktop. So I like to plug my iPad directly in to my Mac, and then I will share it via cable, and then go ahead and tell it to simply share. And when I do this, what it's going to do is it's going to take my iPad screen and it puts it right here front and center. So now if I switch devices and I were to switch over to my iPad, whatever I do here is going to be reflected right on the screen. So since our students have iPads and we're trying to demonstrate what we want them to do, I can demonstrate right on this device and they will be able to see exactly what I'm seeing or what I'm showing them, but then still hear my voice at the same time. Now if I have a screen writing app, like an app like Explain EDU, or maybe even just the Notes app, or even Keynote or Sketches School or something like that, then I could even do writing or drawing using my Apple Pencil. So I could simply pull out an Apple Pencil and then be able to do all kinds of writing and drawing and everything right on my tablet. And as I'm writing on my tablet, it's taking all of those notes and displaying them directly out to everyone who is viewing my presentation. Then whenever I'm done, all I have to do is tell it, hey, let's stop sharing. And it takes me right back to where I was in my group. Again, I can jump back into large view. Another option for share screen is an option here for whiteboard. And what a whiteboard will do is this will give you simply a white space, or consider it like a collaborative whiteboard. So everyone that's in the group could choose to write or draw if I wanted to do that. So this is writing right on my using my trackpad, which is a little trickier. Again, I personally like to do that on my iPad instead. The difference here is this allows other people to write and join it as well. So you could actually have a collaborative workspace that multiple people could edit and write on if you want. But if I hit share screen one more time, I do have an option down here to share computer sound. So if I am maybe playing a video and I wanted to make sure that it shared the sound that was going to be coming out of my computer and not share it through my speakers, but actually share that sound or send that sound to my participants instead of just playing it through my laptop speakers, I could choose to do it that way. So maybe I'm going to pull up and hit play to watch a video. I could do that. But there's also a button up here for advanced, and advanced gives you a few different options which are pretty cool. I could tell it to share just a portion of my screen if I want. So instead of sharing the entire thing, I can actually choose this little box and I could resize this box and I could control exactly what they are going to see. So I could actually have things set up outside of this box that I could actually drag into this box for them to see and then pull it back out whenever I'm done.